How to add your Notion to-do list to your iPhone home screen. To get started, first of all go ahead and long press on an empty area of your home screen until the icons start to jiggle. Once in edit mode, tap on Edit in the top left corner and select Add Widget. Use the search bar at the top to find the Notion app. Tap on Notion from the search results and tap on the Add Widget button at the bottom. Now, tap on it to configure it. From the pop-up, tap on Choose. Select the desired page, such as To-Do List, from the list. Tap on Done at the top right corner. You can now tap the widget for quick access. This will open the Notion app directly to your selected to-do list. Following these steps, you can easily add a Notion widget to your iPhone's home screen. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.